Good morning, good morning. I'm up bright and early. I've been up since I want to say about 5:30. I'm about to catch the sunrise. Jerica, she went to go work out. Oh, I just let a moth in here. No. He been waiting all night. Look at this dude. Come on, bro. Nah, he got to go. I'm gonna let him stay. This dude been waiting all night to get in here. As soon as I open the door, he come in. You know what? I think I'm gonna walk down there. How about that? And that's what we woke up for right here. We just like to take long walks on the beach. My guy right here, man. I think he knows I'm a dog lover. And don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. It's beautiful. Now that we caught that sunrise, let's go see if we can get some good breakfast.
Going to the ATV rides and the camelback rides.
Wait right here, they're gonna call you when they're ready. You do that, you take your video camera.
They don't flip easy.
Don't do nothing crazy, they do flip just like any other vehicle. Oh my God, man.
I'm getting nervous.
No, if you gonna be there doing crazy stuff, of course. I mean, just like any vehicle.
No, I don't. I mean, you got to ask him if he gonna be doing crazy stuff. I'm not gonna do
Hey, I know how to drive.
They're very safe.
Touch us
already.
Thank you.
Yes, that is. All right, how about He said Kelly, R. Kelly. No. So my man, how you doing? See.
Nice to meet you guys. Nice to meet you. My name is Alfredo. I'm gonna be you guys today. Are you guys ready?
We are. Yeah.
All right, amigos. Before we get in the vehicle, the most important thing for me in this case are you guys. So I want this tour to be fun, but I also want to be 100% safe.
So excited. This is our vehicle.
I'm scared.
So you're gonna post those videos?
Guys, if you're enjoying the video, make sure you hit that like button, man. It's hot. And subscribe. To the camels now. Safari vibes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You don't even know how to put it on, because I know I don't.
Yeah.
Premium te brinda una.
How I look, Alfredo?
Very good, amigo.
Alright. It's alright. I almost feel like a do-rag. I'm talking about. Thank you, come again.
Thank you.
Say thank you, come again. Come on now. Does he have a name?
Popota.
Oh, okay. Can I change it for today? To Borat.
My name is Borat.
No, he said his name again. He said, no, you can't change his name.
Hello, my name is the Borat. Borat, take your time, Borat. Take your time. Borat. Careful, Borat.
Yeah, as for Alfredo, I'm the best right here.
Hey, Cuban cigars. So whenever you come to Mexico, we have real Cuban cigars, guys. Okay.
Oh, my man is back. We back, baby. You already know I'm riding shotgun, man. This me right here. This is me right here, baby. Hey, well, right there.
So after we left from our excursions, we had great conversation with this very funny guy, passed a few soccer games, said our goodbyes, and now back at the pool.
I've been drinking margaritas since I got here. I can't feel my face.
Get the good stuff, bro.
It's Hornitos.
Hornitos, pineapple, and strawberry.
No, Ron, Kelly. No, that's what I was trying to think. I was like, wait, birthday.
Whose birthday is it?
Jared.
Jared. Happy birthday.
Cheers, bro.
I should have took that on my ride. It's cool as fuck.
Really,
But I wanted the video. I wanted you to send that video. Edit that shit. It's better than Viber. You get me fine, man. I
got a hat just like that.
Hey, what's that?
What's that?
Feels so good out here. We're swimming together, man. Can I serve?
What's your name?
Rod Kelly.
Rod?
Kelly.
Rod Kelly.
Don't call me R. Kelly.
Okay. Okay.
Hey! talking about. See that? All right. I gotta come into the net. That's what I'm talking about.
No, I'm just joking. I'm just joking.
89-4.
Nick Sines, assistant coach in the NBA G League with the Austin Spurs. This resort has been fantastic from day one. They've been great all the way through. Butler service has been great, catering to every one of our needs. The food, fantastic. Pool has been great. I mean, this is top notch. You're looking at the waters. Everything about this place has been fantastic, and hope to be able to come back and enjoy this retreat while I'm off in my time off. And again, I mean, the amenities here. You got churro carts, you got taco carts, drink carts. Everything about it has been great. I want to make sure this is a one-stop shop for everybody who's trying to get away and relax. Adults only is fantastic as well. But yeah, absolutely, it's good.
This place is incredible. I'll take you into our room. This thing is insane. You will be blown away with it. It's all one unit right there.
I forgot. Can't see the password. So he's showing us his house.
When he was telling me what he did, I was like, you'll like this. It's Dora.
Oh my God.
Hey.
Hey.
This is Rod Kelly and his wife.
Hey, hi, nice to meet you.
Don't give up on me, yeah.
Go cool places, you meet cool people.
Girls, my daughter. They're up there.
The gym. You know,
we have to ask Giovanni.
Okay.
He's the one that, when there's a theater room.
This is where I would live. I wouldn't go anywhere else. I would not go anywhere else. See, I used to work at a movie theater.
Okay.
Yeah, so, you know, movies are my thing. I watch movies every day, all day. They have their own theater right here. Unbelievable. Wow. Yeah.
Zoe, this is Rod Kelly. This is Nicole.
Hey.
This is Zoe.
Nice to meet you.
Office. Special.
Oh, it's very special. You know why? Because the apple. Are you an apple guy?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Hey, I'm just making sure, man.
Don't give up on me, yeah.
I said that the theater room would be my room.
Right, where you're gonna be.
I think this would be my room. This would be my room right here. Brett, thank you so much. I really appreciate you, man.
If you made it this far in the video, first I want to say thank you. I put a lot of time and detail into these videos, so I really appreciate it. Second, it was a pleasure meeting every last one of you that was in this video. So if you're watching, hello. Third, I shot so much footage that there was no way that I could leave certain things out. So I had to add this bonus footage because the place was just as beautiful at night as it was in the day. And I wanted to make sure that I promoted this resort the right way by showing you as much as I possibly could. So here you are. I hope you enjoy.
You should come to Los Cabos, LeBlanc. We are here to go beyond your expectations, and now we are waiting to see you soon, okay?
Come back to LeBlanc whenever you want. This is for everybody, and you will have a great time. Find me, Lemir.